Now, if you're watching this video and you haven't made your YouTube channel as yet, and you're thinking, should I make a YouTube channel? Should I try to be a YouTuber? Is it too late? I'm here to tell you that it's not too late. Go and make your channel right now. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I'm on a journey on becoming a YouTuber and a social media influencer, and I'm sure you're on this journey too. And for all of my OG subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Now, for those of you who have a small channel, you know how hard it is to see growth on YouTube and how hard it is to get subscribers and for the algorithm to pick your video to suggest to other people to watch. And so what I have been doing is I have been doing a lot of research on how to properly optimize my videos so that more people can see it, so that I can get more views and more subscribers. Now, just to give you a little background story about my channel. So I first made my YouTube account back in 2012, and I didn't first make a video until 2013 or 2014. And I started making videos. I was kind of inconsistent, and then I took a really long break, and then I started back again in 2015, and it took another really long break. And the reason I took such long breaks is because I wasn't seeing the views and the subscribers that I wanted. My channel was growing so slow, and I hated it, and it really discouraged me. And I'm here to tell you guys that I feel your pain. If you started your YouTube channel and you're noticing that you're not getting subscribers, you're not getting views, you're not reaching where you want to reach, then I completely understand your pain. But as a small YouTuber, I think it's important that we optimize our videos properly so that we can get the best success out of our channel. So I'm going to be starting this new series called Becoming a YouTuber series, and I'm going to be showing you guys the behind the scenes and the stuff that I'm doing and the research and the tips and the tricks and the strategies that I am learning that I'm going to apply to my channel, and then seeing how it plays out, and then coming back and telling you guys if these strategies or tips work or not. So it's kind of going to be like, is this a true strategy or is it a myth, or what's going on with it? So if you're watching this video and you want to know the tips and tricks on starting your YouTube channel, then make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel, because I'm doing a lot of research behind the scenes trying to figure out how I'm properly supposed to make my thumbnails, how I'm properly supposed to be writing my titles and my captions and the description box and the tags that I'm supposed to be using and all that stuff. And I'm going to be figuring out what that information is and bringing it back to you guys, because I think there's room for everybody to grow on YouTube. People are getting subscribers every single day. Some of your favorite content creators are still getting new subscribers every day, so that means it's possible for you and I to also get subscribers every day. And so that is why I'm starting this Becoming a YouTuber series, so that I can share with you guys the tips and the tricks that I'm doing and how I'm applying it to my channel, and then telling you guys exactly how you need to do it because I saw the results on my channel. Now, of course, this is going to be a process that's going to be done together. I want us both to do this. I want us to both actively see these tips and strategies working for our channel, and that's why I wanted to do this now as a smaller YouTuber. I know watching videos from bigger YouTubers, they talk about how this is what they did and this is what they did, but for me, I would love to see a smaller YouTuber, somebody who has, let's say, less than 10,000 subscribers like I do, talking about the tips and the tricks that they're doing and actually seeing their channel grow little by little. And so it makes it a little bit more relatable, and it makes it feel like, oh my gosh, I can do this. Because it's while it's nice to get advice from somebody who has, let's say, tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of subscribers, YouTube back in the day is very different from YouTube now, especially now in 2020. And so now for me, at this point where that I'm recording this video, I have about 1,800 subscribers. I want to really see if I can grow my channel. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm going to put it out there because I think manifestation works, but my goal is to get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So we are currently in April of 2020, so we have just started the second quarter of the year. I'm currently at 1,800 subscribers now. I'm looking to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If you have your channel and you want to get 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year, then do that. It all depends on how much content you're putting out there. Now, the most important thing to understand is that the only way to get subscribers is to post content. If you're not posting content, you're not going to get subscribers. So as long as you're putting videos out there, you will be getting subscribers. So if you guys are ready for this Becoming a YouTuber series, be sure to thumbs up this video and make sure you guys subscribe down below so you guys don't miss any of my videos. Now, if you are a small YouTuber or you just made your channel and you know exactly what type of videos you want to create, meaning you know the niche that you want to pertain to, then go ahead and make videos videos about that niche. If you are a gaming channel, go ahead and make gaming style videos. If you're a cooking channel, go ahead and make cooking style videos. But if you're somebody like me who likes lots of different types of content and lots of different type of niches, and you're not sure what direction to go to, I highly recommend that you go out there and make whatever kind of videos you want. For example, myself, I like beauty related videos, lifestyle related videos, vlogs, and YouTube related videos. And so that is what I'm going to be doing on my channel. And until I see which videos people are watching more and which videos get more views and what my particular audience wants to see, that is how I'm then going to decide what direction to put my channel into. So for example, I mentioned before that I like beauty related content, fashion related content, vlogs, lifestyle, all that kind of stuff, and then YouTube related content. So this is going to be my YouTube related content. And if I notice that a lot of my viewers like this type of content, I'm going to continue to make content like this. And so that is how I suggest that you guys do your channel too. If you're not exactly sure what kind of videos you want to make, I highly recommend you just go and make whatever content you like, and then your audience will let you know exactly what they want to see, so you can make that type of content for them. Now, this Becoming a YouTuber series is going to consist of high production videos, so videos like this where I'm sitting down and just talking to you guys, and it's very like, you know, straightforward and high production. But there's also going to be some behind the scenes videos, more vlog style videos, more behind the scenes of me just figuring out and picking up the strategies and tips and how I can apply it to my channel. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'm super excited to start this. I've been watching a lot of videos and everybody's saying it is not too late to start your channel in 2020, and for a long time I felt like it was too late to restart my channel. Like I mentioned before, I made my channel way back in the day and I was posting content, and then I completely stopped posting content just because I was so consumed with the fact that I wasn't getting views and subscribers that I was not creating the best content for the views and the subscribers that I did have, and I was very discouraged. And I've been wanting to get back into YouTube, but I felt like it was too late. But I'm here to tell you guys that it's not too late to get back started into YouTube, because all of your favorite content creators that you guys are watching are still getting new subscribers today. So that means you and I can both get new subscribers today. So make sure you guys are out there putting out your content, and I think there's room for all of us to grow. Now, I definitely want to start a discussion. So if you are a new channel, you have a small channel, or you just made your YouTube channel, I want you guys to comment down below and leave your channel name and a description of your channel. Now, there is a reason why I'm asking you guys to write a description of your channel, because it's very important that you guys write detailed descriptions of your channel, because there is a section on your channel where you're supposed to fill out this information and talk about what your channel is all going to be about. So this is going to be a little tester, because I'm going to have a video coming up really soon talking about how you should properly set up your channel and how you should be writing the description of your channel also. So as a little tester, I want you guys to go in the comment section below, leave your channel name, and talk about what your channel is about. So for example, if I was commenting down below, which I probably will, I would say, hey, my name is Ashley and I have a lifestyle channel where I talk about beauty, fashion, and YouTube strategies. For you, if you're a gaming channel, you will say, hey, my name is whatever your name is and I have a gaming channel. And the reason I want you guys to become familiar with how to write your descriptions is because there is a section on your channel, and it's called the About section, where you write about your channel, and writing those specific keywords is what's really going to help your channel rank higher in the algorithm and in the search engine, so that people can find your videos. So if I know my channel is about lifestyle, vlogs, beauty, being plus size, all that kind of stuff, and YouTube strategies, I want to make sure I put that in my description, so that when people are searching for videos to watch in regards to those niches, my videos will stand out. So make sure you guys comment down below your channel name and what type of channel you have. Plus, on top of that, you might get new subscribers, because let's say I'm looking for a cooking channel to watch and somebody comments that they have a cooking channel, they just got a new subscriber. So yes, you guys, this is my intro to the Becoming a YouTuber series. I hope you guys are excited. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out, and be sure to hit the little bell as well so you're notified when I have another upload. And yes, I'm super excited. This is going to be a big journey. I hope you guys are excited too, and let's get into it. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.